Hello guys, welcome to a new video on my discord.js episode. This is the second video of discord.js. Today I'm going to show you how to add pruning to your bot and work with some embed messages, and also check if they have any specific role. If you would like to see more videos, comment in this video and what you want to see, because just give me some ideas for the next videos and I will show it to you guys. So first we're gonna start off by learning kind of the basics of the role function. So we're going to make a test comment first. So we're going to make the test comment now. So if message content starts with prefix plus test, we're going to delete this comment if I explained everything about the rules, but for now we're going to make this. Now first, at the beginning, we're going to define the outer of the message. So we do it with this let the name outer. You can choose whatever it, if you make it poop or whatever, it's all fine. So let outer, and then is message out, no, not message outer, message member. So and that, and then we're going to define the role. So the role you want to check, like you're going to check if the outer, the person who wrote the comment, if he has a specific role. So we do, for example, let role is message gold roles, then find name, comma, and then the name of the role. So for example, moderator. Okay, I will explain it. So first we're going to the message gold. Message gold, the gold means actually the server. So the server of the message, we're going to search in the roles that they have with the name, and the name is moderator. So as you see here, my server has the rank moderator. So we search for moderator and define it here. So role is now the moderator rank. And then we're going to check if the person who wrote the comment has the role. So what we do is if outer, so this one, dot roles dot has, so we're going to check if he has the role, and then we say role dot id. This ID is really important, because if you don't add an ID, it will not work. I have no clue why, but you just need to add the ID. So if the outer roles has this role, moderator, then we do this. So now we're going to message reply, you have permissions, return, and else. So if the statement is false, if the outer doesn't have permissions, say message reply, you don't have permissions, return. Okay, so we have this is our test command. Now we're going to run the bot. I need to open my CMD again, so give me a second. Okay, so no dot. It should, okay. Wait, there's something wrong with my key. So let me just make it more. Okay, put this online. I also need to give them the rank now. So saying official box. Okay. So we going. I need to see what was our prefix. Okay. So we need to do test. You don't have permissions because I don't have the moderator rank. And now I'm going to add the moderator rank. So you see I have it now. Test. You have permissions. Okay, so that's pretty easy. It's just a matter of understanding how these things work. So if that worked for you, then you can delete this comment. This is just, I want you to show how you make these things, like, yeah, that you know that for other comments, if you want to make other comments. Okay, so now we're going to make a prune comment with embed messages. So what we do is, I hope you all guys know what pruning is. It's deleting a lot of messages in one comment. So for example, if I do prune, prune 5, what I want the bot to do is that it deletes now 5 messages. Okay, so that's what we're going to code now. So if message content starts with prefix plus prune, and now we need to define some stuff again. So I think this is the first tutorial that we're really going to define things, and it will be really helpful and useful when you code Discord bots. You will always need it if you want to code more advanced things. So first we're going to define our the arguments that are given with the comment. This is something quite weird and hardly to understand, but you just need to remember this. So we do let args is message content split, and then we're going to split with the space dot slice 1. Okay, like that. This will give us the ability to check for arguments in the prune. So for example, prune, so this is what it takes. So this is the comment and this is an argument. So it makes the split. Okay, it's a space. Oh, and then we see we have the argument 5. And in coding language, we always, not in all coding languages, but in JavaScript we start counting from 0. So if you want the first argument, for us it's the first argument, we call it with 0. So this is actually this 0 argument. So now we're going to check if the user actually given any argument. So if just type prune, then it's not enough because we don't know how many messages he wants to delete. So we do that basically with if args, and then we make these things brackets n at 0. So if we don't get, so add an exclamation mark, if we don't have a 0 argument, then we say message deletes, and this does actually, it deletes the comment, so it deletes this part. Okay, so sorry for that. So we delete the comment that they wrote, so message delete, it's delete this, what we typed. So message delete, and we say message outer send. And this we learned before, like here, message outer send. Hello, this is my help, so this just sends a PM. So we say no arguments given, and we return. So we do that if it's no given arguments. Then we want a role check, so we don't want everyone to be able to delete the messages. So we, for example, only want moderators to do. So we need to define these things that we did in the test comment again. So let's do that now. Let author is message member. Let role is message cult roles. Oh no, this is not correct, I think. Cult roles. Yeah. Name moderator. Okay, so we did that. And before we even check this, we first going to check if the user has the role. So if author roles has role.idea, so we copy this, paste it here. So if it has the role, then we all do this. And then we also gonna check first if the argument was higher than 100, because the Discord itself, it limits the prune comment to maximum delete 100 messages at once. So we're going to check first for that. So if args 0, if that is higher than 100, then we say message delete. So we delete the comment. Oops. Oh, something really fucked up here. Wait. So message delete, and we say message author sends maximum is 100 messages at once, and then we return. Stop the code. And so we all check for that, and if all the checks are done, we say message channel bulk delete args.0. What this actually does is pretty easy. It uses the channel where the comment was written in, so message channel bulk delete, and bulk delete is going to delete a lot of messages at once. So this comment actually just deletes the messages from our arguments, and then we can make a message like, okay, it's completed. So we do first, wait, before we do that, you might first delete the comment itself, because otherwise the things are not the same. So message delete and then the bulk delete. So do that, and then we say message author sends done. I deleted args.0 messages. Yeah, like that. Return. So that should work. And now we're going to add one more check. For example, if we do not a number, for example, if you do prune, yeah, the bot will just crash because it's just weird. We can add a check. You should not do that, but yeah, we can add a check for that if you want to. Oops, that was not. It's pretty easy. You just do if args.0 no, wait, that's not correct. So just do,
hey, wake up.
Oops. Wait. So here we say if this args dot 0, right? Okay, sorry for that. So we check for that, but never mind this, because you just don't need to use it. You just tell your moderators to not do something like that. It's just stupid. I will explain it in the next video. Yeah, I think we should now test it. So Control S for save it and note. Put this online. Now we say prune 5. Oh, it gives us a crash. Okay. Yeah. Sorry for that. We need to change this to gold, not golds. Sorry. I think that will fix the problem. Okay. 5. Okay. That's cool. Okay. Done. I deleted 5 messages. So yeah, that's pretty cool. Yeah, you see, it works and quite good. Now you have these. Yeah, it looks quite ugly, right? This message. So now I'm going to learn you how to make an embed message. So the first thing you have to do is go to your internet, go to Google, and search for this hashtag FFF. So 6 times F. There you get this color picker where you can choose colors. Leave that open and just go back to your code. So we want to make a cool embed message. I don't know if I have an example here. No, I don't. So I will just do it. So we want to make this message a bit more fancier. So what we do is we say, instead of this, we say, and then embed, double point, and then this thing again, and then we say color, and then we pick a color here. For example, this one, this color. You copy this, but not the hashtag, so just the numbers. And you say 0x, and then you paste your code, and then this. And you say description, and then you say done. I deleted that. And we say plus args.0 messages. Yeah, messages. And that's done. And I will show you now how it looks now, if it's correct. Okay, so prune. Also, we're going to test first if we can do over 100. And it says it should not say that. Yeah, no, there's something wrong. Oh, wait, yeah, this is the wrong place. So, sorry for that. Sorry. Yeah, I edited the wrong message. So we want to edit this one. Sorry, I have the flu as well. So, and I'm making this video right now quite fast. So, yeah. So just do it here. Message outer sent embed, and then no, double points, embed color, description, you say done. I have deleted that stars dot 0 messages. Okay, and this you can remove them. Control S to save it. So prune what the fuck? To some reasons I had to my control. No, not that. Okay. Do my control Z to change this back to goats, and should not do that. So prune 120. Maximum is all messages once, that works. And then prune 5. Done. I have deleted, and look, it looks quite fancy, right? We can do rich embeds in the next tutorial maybe. Yeah, and you can do that for everything, so you can also do it for this one, but just change the color to maybe red or something. It's just the same thing. So yeah, I think that's that for this tutorial, and if you want more tutorials, let me know, and let's leave some ideas here in the comments. So yeah, thanks for watching, and hope you see you in the next video. Bye bye.